PM Narendra Modi has concluded his crucial visit to the US, where he held high-level bilateral talks with President Donald Trump. Let's take a look at the major highlights from the meeting. India and the US aim to double their trade volume to $500 billion by 2030.
Friends, आज हमने द्विपक्षीय व्यापार को 2030 तक 2 गुना से भी अधिक बढ़ाकर $500 बिलियन तक पहुंचाने का लक्ष्य निर्धारित किया है.
Modi emphasized India's commitment to economic growth, comparing India's Viksit Bharat vision to Trump's MAGA. India will also increase imports of US oil, gas, and military equipment. Trump confirmed that India will procure F-35 stealth fighter jets. India joins an elite club of nations like NATO allies, Israel, and Japan in acquiring this advanced aircraft.
Starting this year, we'll be increasing military sales to India by many billions of dollars. We're also paving the way to ultimately provide India with the F-35 stealth fighters.
The US will continue supplying other military hardware and explore co-production with India. Trump announced the approval of 2611 Mumbai attack suspect Tahavvur Rana's extradition to India. The US reaffirmed its support in combating terror threats, particularly from Pakistan. Both nations will focus on oil, gas, and nuclear energy collaboration, including the US-India 123 Civil Nuclear Agreement. Plans to build US-designed nuclear reactors in India, including advanced small modular reactors, are in process. The US backed India's bid for membership in the International Energy Agency, or IEA, enhancing India's role in global energy decisions. The US will also support India's first astronaut mission to the International Space Station by 2025. Both countries are collaborating on the NISAR Earth Mapping satellite project. Trump acknowledged India-China border tensions and offered to mediate if needed. Modi reiterated India's peace-first stance on the Russia-Ukraine war. Plans to streamline legal immigration for professionals and students were discussed. Moreover, efforts to curb illegal immigration and human trafficking were also highlighted.
ये ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग में जुड़े हुए पूरे इकोसिस्टम पर हमने वार करना चाहिए और अमेरिका और भारत मिल करके कि इस प्रकार की पूरी इकोसिस्टम को हमें जड़ मूल से नष्ट करना चाहिए ताकि ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग बंद हो.
That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.